You are welcome to Remit Forex Academy. My name is Paradise and this is the home of successful traders. And if you look at the market right here, a quick update on USDJPY, EURUSD and EURAUD right here on the chart, and what you should be paying attention to as we open into the next week trading. And if you are new to this channel right here, please hit like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll get notified. And you can also check the channel for other educational content. Right here on the USDJPY, you see the market move all the way from this area, important support from here up to this very point. And if you look at it, this very peak right here is a very important resistance zone at this very point. Okay, so market move all the way from here to this very zone. So from here is this very area right here. So market should come back down. That is what I am expecting right now. So this market should come back down in the next week of trading, and it should break out. Before we can confirm that the market is going to come back down, there should be a breakout between this price level of 151.25 and this price level of 151.05. So when market move down with a bearish candle and break below this very price level that I just mentioned, so it means that the market is going to continue the downward movement into this very zone of 150.33. So this is what I am expecting on USDJPY as we open next week trading. Okay, so market should break out first, then once you see that breakout within this very zone, then market is going to move back to the downside. This analysis is very important because market is at a very key and important resistance, which is also a supply zone at this very area. EURUSD right here, you see the market panic around this very area. We took this very trade in the premium signal group and they just hit us out, but we are still going to enter that position in the premium signal group as well. Market is still going to go upward according to my analysis. I am just waiting for a breakout. So once I see a breakout above this line of resistance right here, then I am going to take a long position or a buy position to the upside on this very pair EURUSD. If you look at it, market move all the way from here to this point, retrace, come back to the upside and create a new high. You see the market come back down and then come back down again. At this very point, you see the market make a new high higher than this very area right here. Market come back down, could not create a new low. So this is very important, guys. If market break here and this very point of resistance, then it means that there will be a nice move to the upside for this very bullish to come in. So once we see a very nice movement to the upside on the 4-hour chart, then it means that the market is going to continue with this very movement, that the market move all the way from here to the upside. So what I am expecting as we open next week of trading on EURUSD is the market to break out first of all around this very area of resistance. Once we see that breakout, then market is going to move upward. This is my own personal directional bias. You can have your own prediction, which is very okay in the market, because in the market one thing very important is that we see different things on the chart, and that is also very great. So your own perspective can be different from my own perspective as well. And on the EURAUD chart, the market move all the way from here into this very zone, and this is a very key level of resistance. Say resistance at this area was resistance here, resistance at this very point. That is what we are seeing right now on the chart, and I am expecting that this market come back down. But before the market was going to go back down, I am expecting the market to come back down below this very area. So once you see the market come back down and break this very line of support, then the market is going to head back down into this very zone. This is what I'm expecting. Very important. Pay attention. Don't expect any sporadic move to the upside on EURAUD. Market should come back down, break here. Once you see that breakout, then it means that market is going to come back down into this very area in the next week of trading. So this is what to pay attention to for this very price chart on EURUSD. From this area, a breakout is necessary for market to move to the upside, and on this very price chart of USDJPY. Like I said, there should be a breakout within this very price level and this other price level before the market is going to move to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to and watch on the chart on these three pairs. This is very important, guys. And if you are new to this channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this one. Also check the channel for other forex resources. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.